inside the Niger Delta.
And before we go, it's celebration galore in the Niger Delta and beyond as family, friends, and well-wishers celebrate the founder and president of Belemaoil Producing Limited, Engineer Tein Jr., on the occasion of his 45th birthday. The life of Engineer Tein Jr., who is unarguably one of the highest employers of labor in the country with an unparalleled profile in philanthropy, is indeed the story of a quantum leap from grass to grace. Inside the Niger Delta joins in the celebration of a man whose determination to succeed against all odds has continued to inspire youths in the Niger Delta and their counterparts across the country.
Born into poverty. Lost both parents by the age of 10. And soon after, his younger brother. With only faith and perseverance guiding his path. That path, paved with hardships and challenges, would take a young boy of a village and forge him into the leader of a nation.
Village life was very tough. You didn't have water, no electricity. As a young lad, I was very close to my late mother. And a hard-working lifestyle, and I believe that hard work will create the required dividend. I always reflect on the past life of my late parents and how things were, and the strong desire to support families that may be going through a similar situation today. Some see me as someone who will love to help.
One time there was love.
That boy would go on to build the first indigenous oil exploration and production company in Nigeria.
Certain as the sun.
With a vision to change his community for the better.
One time there was love.
Today, we have helped thousands of local communities. The first project that we did in the community was to provide water. In the past 700 years of the existence of that community, they had no water to drink. They said, why is it doing this? But I never quit.
One time there was love. Still certain as the sun.
We invite you on a first-hand journey to experience the life, the story, and the vision of Tein Jack Rich.
One time there was love.
I envision a world that doesn't exist.
Certain as the sun.
To make it, a reality.